welcome to Clash of Clans episode 2, and I'm playing on my iPad, so it might be a bit strange. Yeah, it's really clear, I can see really clearly. It's really still recording, and that's good. And today, nobody asked me to do more badges, did I? I asked you in the last video, and nobody answered in the comments, so do not did it. Today we're going to be doing some single player, multiplayer mobs. I forgot. For 24 barbarians. Just stick them all in. I'm dying. Look how done I am. I'm done. The most epic acceleration. Attack! Defeated. Well, that doesn't really matter. I don't really care. Now, if you see the updated version of me on my iPad and on my tablet, here you go. This is the updated version of me. This is my face on my tablet I'm recording on. I'll just return home. Clanners against this clan, and if you're in this clan and you're watching this video, good luck. Oh no. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this raging video. Bye. And don't forget to join the clan, comment if you want to see more, please comment. Nobody comments. And please like, watch our videos. Bye.